Yeah, so you're 5 weeks out from your hip replacement Mako surgery, and how are things going?
Going fantastic. Getting around better than before, doing the little things like even walking shorter distances were hard. Now I've got zero pain. It's just a pleasure to be back out in nature, walking around and doing the things that I like to do and not having the pain that was an issue before.
And right after surgery, even the first day after surgery, what were you using as far as assistive devices?
I was using nothing. I mean, they wheeled me out, but even in the hospital with the occupational therapist, they were reluctant, but they let me get rid of the walker and the cane, and I was doing stairs. And I was amazed at the stability I had the day of surgery to be able to go up and down stairs, taking them a step at a time. And then, even my wife at the hospital, we assumed we'd have to get the walker out. I'm walking through the halls. I had her video me to send to my kids, and it was fairly amazing how quick the recovery was.
That's fantastic. And a week after surgery, you did a little bit more than I wanted you to do.
I had to shovel 2-3 feet of snow, and so I was out there for several hours. I had no other options, and the hip felt great. It was more of just being careful. But I was amazed how quickly I was able to do things that I needed to do.
Well, fantastic job. Nicely done.
Thank you.